So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your Dstv Zapper decoder if you are living in Tanzania. Alright, so you pick up your DSTV remote and you press on the blue button, which will take you to the DSTV menu. And here use the arrow left and right keys to look for settings. Alright, so settings, you come down to the satellite settings. Alright, move on to home network. You press OK on it and come down to the launch installation wizard. Press OK. With the satellite, you need to select the E36B. If there is a different satellite on it, you need to change it to the E36B. Okay, and you press OK to proceed. On this page, you move down to manual setup and you press OK. Alright, so we have LMB type. Since it's a universal, since it is Zapper decoder, it normally comes along with the universal LMB. But if they install it with a unique cable LMB or smart DSTV smart LMB, you need to change it to the unique cable TMs like SASIA. This option, that's what I'm talking about. But if they install it with a universal LMB, you have to just leave it on the universal LMB and come to the scan option. So at the right side of the page, you're gonna find out that there is some signal status over there, so make sure that the signal status are filled up before you can proceed to scan. Alright, so you come down to the scan and then you press OK to proceed. Alright, so after scanning, just go ahead and then start enjoying your channels. But if it's a new decoder, you need to activate it before you can go ahead and then enjoy the channel. So all you got to do is to call DSTV office and then you provide the IUC number of the decoder. You're gonna find the IUC number or the smart card number at the back of the decoder. After submitting the IUC number, they're gonna activate it for you right there. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, you like the video, and just share on other platforms. Thanks for watching.